Apply these remedies and your nails grow faster and stronger. Everyone wants their nails to grow fast and strong. They add beauty to your hands. Plus, healthy nail growth reflects the state of your overall health. Nails are made of the same protein, called keratin, as that of hair. Fingernails grow faster than toenails, although growth is still very slow. On average, fingernails grow about 1/10 of an inch each month, but sometimes they grow even slower. Several factors contribute to slow nail growth. These include the aging process, hormonal changes in the body, health problems, chemotherapy, medications and nutritional deficiencies. On the other hand, faster nail growth can be seen among children prior to puberty and pregnant women. Slow or poor nail growth can also be accompanied by brittle nails, breakage, splitting and other nail problems. Eating a healthy diet and following proper nail care are easy ways to keep your nails strong and growing at a healthy pace. You can also promote nail growth with some easy natural remedies using simple ingredients. Here are the top 5 home remedies for nail growth. 1. Olive oil. To promote growth, it is essential to keep your nails well moisturized. Olive oil is the best when it comes to nail care. It penetrates deep into the skin and nails and thus helps nourish your nails. Plus, it contains vitamin E, which improves blood circulation, helps repair damaged nails and promotes nail strength and growth. Before going to bed, apply warm olive oil to your nails and cuticles and massage gently for 5 minutes. Wear cotton gloves overnight. Do this once daily. You can also soak your nails in warm olive oil for 15 to 30 minutes once daily to promote nail growth. 2. Coconut oil. Coconut oil works well for healthy nail growth. It contains important nutrients to keep your nails moisturized and strong. It also strengthens your cuticles, which play a key role in nail growth. Plus, it helps cure hangnails, cuticle infections and fungal nails. Massage your nails and hands with warm extra virgin coconut oil daily at night. Before going to bed, massage in circular motions to improve blood circulation. You can also prepare a nail soak. Mix 1/4 cup of organic coconut oil, 1/4 cup of honey and 4 drops of rosemary essential oil. Warm the solution in the microwave for 20 seconds. Soak your nails in it for 15 minutes. Follow this remedy 1 or 2 times a week. 3. Orange juice. Another remedy that can boost nail growth is orange juice. Its vitamin C content encourages the production of collagen and keeps your nails healthy. Also, it has folic acid, which is essential for nail growth. Soak your nails in fresh orange juice for at least 10 minutes. Rinse them off with warm water, pat dry and apply some moisturizer. Follow this remedy once daily until you are satisfied with the results. 4. Lemons. Lemons contain vitamin C that is essential for nail growth. Also, it helps treat yellow nails and gives your nails a nice shine. Prepare a nail soak with 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Slightly heat the solution in the microwave and then soak your nails in it for 10 minutes. Follow this remedy daily. You can also rub a slice of lemon on your nails for 5 minutes, then rinse them with warm water. Pat dry and apply a moisturizer. Do this once daily. Avoid rubbing lemon on your nails if you have any cuts or hangnails, as it may sting. 5. Horsetail. According to ancient Greek and Roman herbalists, horsetail is an effective herb for nail growth. Being a source of calcium, silica and other useful minerals, horsetail contributes to the overall health of your nails. Add 3/4 teaspoon of dried horsetail stems to 2 cups of boiling water. Cover and allow it to steep for 10 to 15 minutes. Strain and let it cool. Soak your nails in this solution for 20 minutes. Follow this treatment at least 4 times per week. You can also drink horsetail tea once daily for healthy nails.
Thank you for your attention and for having seen the video. As you know, my name is Indira. You can meet me in my blog IndiraRemedies.com. If you do not know me, visit this website and you will know my personal history. In my blog we talk about losing weight and health in general. As you know, obesity or overweight can trigger many deadly diseases. I am not the only one who said that. World Health Organization thinks the same. In this channel and along with my blog I can help you to follow a healthy lifestyle and to finish with these extra kilos. If you visit the link of the video's description you will be able to download for free a very special gift dedicated to all our followers, valued at $27. It is a gift that will not be available for a long time, so if you visit the link of the video's description, and you realize that we no longer have it, visit my blog and keep having a look, because on some occasions we are launching this offer or others totally free. So if you really want to lose weight, visit the link of the video's description, and if you like the video, give it a like, share and subscribe to our channel to not miss any others videos. You can also follow me on my blog and social media. Best regards, and see you in the next video.